Hello, Kennedy staff. This is step one for Chromebook return for teachers, and that is to perform your roster check. So if you'll notice, I'm looking at the Kennedy Senior Chromebook return spreadsheet. There will also be spreadsheets for the junior advisories, sophomore advisories, and freshman advisories. So while I'm on the sheet here, you'll notice when you log in that you have all the students on the sheet. And we don't want to deal with all these students. We want to just narrow it down to our students. So what you're going to do is click on right next to this filter button. There's a down arrow. We'll click on that button and it's going to bring up each teacher. In this case, it's all the teachers that have 6-hour seniors. So if you select your name, you're then only dealing with the students in your 6th hour for senior teachers. Obviously for advisories, it's going to list your advisory students. So what we'd like you to do in the roster check is look at column L, and in column L you're going to check each of these students, make sure they're on your roster. If they're on your roster, click OK. If they're not on your roster, you can select not on roster. If you've got a bunch of OKs and you just want to copy them over, all you have to do is look for this little square in the bottom right of the cell. You're going to click and drag. That'll copy it all the way down on yours. That's the roster check. Not much to it. In the next step, we're going to be looking at the actual Chromebook return itself, and that's going to be using columns M, N, and O. Final message is that if there are any students that are not on your roster that need to be on your roster, please email me at knelson2, and we'll add that onto your roster for you. Thanks for listening. Make sure to contact me if you have any questions.